Hey guys, this is Craig Capurso. I'm one of the co-founders here at Metron, and I'm also a coach. And I want to show you how we use training blocks to scale your online, implementation into the marketplace. How you can use one basically set of training programs, workouts, exercises, overview items, and scale that from virtual trainer, which is like a digitized ebook where people basically sign up and then they use it in any way they want. They would do a one-on-one training with you, or possibly counter-based training where you put some kind of like 30-day challenge out there. So I'm going to get into that now, and we're going to try to do it under 5 minutes, show you exactly how it works. So let me move my picture around, get over here. So we have virtual trainer, one-on-one, and coaching. So the way it works, and let me kind of just show you the root. These are training blocks. I have a lot of information in here, but I'm going to show you the Havoc one that I created, Super 30 Havoc. It's got a name, description. I'm the author. It's got a little cover here, and basically training information. It could be training only, nutrition only, or both. This one's both. And other information. The next tab here is overview. It's got a bunch of information over here, and you'll see that on the right, which it would look like to the user like that. And in these little sections would be information that you want to share about your program. And then next, you would have basically a schedule. And so you have on this one, and again, keep coming over here, but I have, let's see, 5 weeks on the schedule, and you'll see the kind of the weeks. So it's like day 1 through 7, and then repeats week 2, week 3. So that's what like a weekly program might look like. And so I already have this program published. Okay, it's in a larger training block that I sell as a bundle subscription called All Access, and I sell these as virtual trainers, digitized ebooks. Well, since I built it once, there's nothing stopping me from going ahead and selling it as a one-on-one program to clients and who's going to work with me one-on-one, and I could just drop the weeks into their schedule. We're selling it as a counter-based program where a community would do it all at the same time. And I want to show you that right now. So since I already have it up, we'll go to my store, we'll click on add, and I'm going to go ahead and do counter-based coaching. So I'll create one of these for you right now. I could just move out of the way, and I'm just going to put demo calendar. I don't need a conversion URL right now. I'll just throw in a quick template. Just throw in something like that. Boom. Get this guy out of the way. And then these are Facebook pixels and Google Analytics, just so tracking your conversions. You go to overview, click next. All right, so here's where it gets good. I can basically start it from scratch and build it by putting images here, text here, videos, etc. Or I can go import from a program, and let me go find Havoc. So let me come over here and find the Havoc program right there, input it, and now it just imported. So all that information that I already had in that overview section where people could learn more about the programming in my virtual trainer is now shared into the calendar-based programming. I can go do the exact same thing on the schedule. So now let's just say I want to sell this thing. I want to sell this, let's say on the 19th. Next week gives me a few days to sell it. You would probably want to, a week or two to sell kind of like a counter-based program. Let's even do that. Let's say we're going to start this thing on the 26th on Monday this month. I'm going to import it from a program. Let's go find Havoc. Drop it in there, all 5 weeks. And now you're going to see it on the schedule. So you can see it here. And then if I click the next month, it's right there, all those little blue dots. And so it goes all the way out to the 31st. And so what I can do now is just go to pricing, get this thing ready, and you can do Metron payments, which would be using our Stripe, and everything is just a really quick, easy checkout link, and I'll show you exactly that. And let's price this thing out. So let's just say we're gonna do a 5-week program. Let's call it $99, and it's gonna be basically one time only, $99, and it's gonna start on the 26th, and it's gonna end, I think we said the 16th. All right, so we're gonna publish it. Proceed. So what you can do now is just, if you want to test things out, I could literally come over here, give myself a 100% off coupon, copy it. Now it's in there. Come on up here, drop that URL. And now the coupon is zero price. So I can actually enroll into this thing, show you guys a quick demo for no money, and show you how quick I could do it. So join. And so now I actually have this, and I want to show you the calendar, which I just did. And then I want to show you one-on-one. So now I enrolled myself into my own one-on-one programming just to show you how easy it might be. So now we're going to switch gears and say, I'm a one-on-one coach. All I would have to do is come over to my inbox. So you come on over here and you'll find your client that you want to do one-on-one with, or that you have it. Make sure that you're on the one-on-one here, because you can do multiple things. You can see I have different things I have access to over here. But this is my one-on-one client. This is me, obviously. I'll make sure you don't see that. All I do is need schedule. Good. Well, I have 1 week to give them. I can either do that manually and go find a workout that I've already pre-created, or I could literally drop it in here and say import from a program. I want to drop it in Havoc, and I can do 5 weeks in a row, all 5 weeks, import. And literally I have 5 weeks now set up for this client. So all I would have to do is get his check-in or her check-in, make sure that everything's on track, and then hit submit the next week, and they would get the week workouts in a row. But I don't have to submit them 5 weeks in a row. I've already done it. I've imported it once because I already know the track that I want them on. So this is as easy as giving someone workouts. And that's it. So now the client already has it. And so let's prove that. Let's go over to Metron. All right, so now showing you exactly what that looks like. So now we have our demo calendar, and this is what the user would see. You would have your workouts, and we'll show you another video on that. But demo calendar, so we could see what the 30 days out our Havoc looks like there. You have your one-on-one training, so I just implemented week 1 there, so we'll look at that. Then you have Havoc. And so it all started here. I created a digitized ebook first, and this is the full package, what it looks like with the video, cover photo, etc. So this program got translated over 3 different places or 2 different places. So you'll see this exact week in all 3 of these versions. So then you come on over here to Craig's one-on-one training. I didn't put any overview information for this one at all, but then you just click view schedule. Okay, that's just telling me I got some workouts to personalize. And then you see there's that workout right there. And so the one-on-one trainer gets the same thing. And then you come over to the calendar, and then you'll see a little bit different. This actually starts on 7/26, right? Like we said. So you'll be able to see all that other information prior to starting the program. But if we started on the same day, you would actually see that week 1 right there. So it actually, the moment that week gets assigned, you'd see the week ahead. So exactly how you use one program over multiple different paths. So hopefully that was helpful. You can see how we could help scale your fitness business. Do it once, sell it multiple ways.